Alright, so you're here for a tutorial on how to make Sancho or Don Quixote, whatever. I think this one's really cute. It's a little wonky. Watch through the whole video before you start, though, because, yeah, it'll help a bit with understanding. Alright, and hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 17th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a plushie that is cute and a bit wonky. And if you're wondering, the song in the background is Where Your Dream Ends, and the marble run is Manchaland Coaster. I don't know. One of the two. It's one of the two. And first thing you're going to want to do is go to the description, grab the pattern, and then print it out. So once you have that done, you're going to want to cut out the pattern that you just printed out. Yeah. Now you're going to want to apply it to fabric, like mark around it and then cut it out. I'll list everything you need. You need like two of like the side hair pieces in yellow, two back of the head pieces in yellow, both sweep pieces in yellow. You're going to need two pieces of the boa in red, two split to this two iris pieces in red, one mouthpiece in black. You can make it frown or smile, doesn't matter. I created a pattern that can be used for both. Two lashes pieces in black, two pupil pieces in black, two sclera pieces in white, one torso piece in cream, one bottom piece in cream, two torso pieces in brown, two like little folds in brown. I can't remember what I wrote them down as, but that's not important. Six limb pieces in brown, six limb pieces in cream, one headpiece in tan, and four palm pieces in the same tan. I guess it's tan. It's kind of like a white skin tone, whatever. The one I have, I believe, is referred to as ivory. Either that or champagne. So first you're going to want to take the main headpiece and find like the two like little cutout pieces like that you should have cut out, like the triangles, and then sew both sides together along those. Like don't sew the space in between those two triangles together though, just those two triangles. Once both of those are sewn up, you're going to want to start making the eyes. So start by attaching the iris and the pupil. Then attach that to the iris. I mean the sclera. Like this. Now attach the eyelash. Now make another identical one, this time just flipped. And once you have that done, you're going to want to start by attaching the mouth. You can make her smile or frown, whichever you want. Now attach the first eye here. And second eye here. And now you're gonna want to start with the back. Like, take both sides, like both halves of the back of the head, and so like there should be like a more curved, rounded outwards edge with no spikes on it. So you're gonna want to like attach both of those together, except you're gonna want to do it in a very specific way. Like, go on impale like near the middle, like poke through near the middle, and then go to the closer of the two edges. Now you're going to want to make another, go through another time close to that hole as well, and go to the opposite edge. There should be a bit of a gap between the two starting points that leaves a hole. Now attach both sides of the head. The sides you want to see should be facing each other while you sew the back of the head. Now invert it. Now stuff it, and once you've stuffed it, close it up. And now you're going to want to take both sides of the hair spikes and attach them together. P.S. Leave the flat edge with the opposite to the spikes unsewn shut. And once that's done, you're going to want to put it about right here on the head, on her head. And then you're going to want to put one sweep here, and the other sweep here. So to start the torso, you're going to want to grab the cream piece and like sew one of the triangles on the edge like this, like one of the brown triangles. Like, not completely on the edge, just close to the edge. Then do the same for the other side of the cream torso panel. Now add a brown one. Be extremely careful to not sew the triangle in between. Like, triangles should be facing the pieces you're working with, but you gotta be careful to make sure it doesn't go in between the two. Now the same with another one, like sew all the way to the top, like just along the edge. Then connect to the two that have yet to be connected, sewing along the edge. And now at the bottom. Once you've gone all the way around the bottom, invert it. And now stuff it. And attach it to the head. Now create the boa by attaching both sides together. You can try to invert this, but it might not be reasonable. Now attach it about right here on the side. So to make a limb, you're gonna want to grab 3 limb panels of the same color and 1 palm panel. So you're gonna attach 2 limb panels together like this, like go along one long edge. Then attach another going along a long edge. Then the 2 that aren't attached to each other that go along the long edge to attach those as well. Now at one end, add the palm and go all the way around. Now invert it. Now make 1 more in the same color and 2 more in the other color. Yeah. Now attach the first arm here. Make sure to stuff all the arms before you attach them, though. Same with legs. Second arm here. First leg here. Second leg here. Now that's pretty much it. And now I hope you enjoyed that plushie tutorial. If you have something you want me to do after October, which I have ideas of what I want to do for November and December, but things may change before then. Like, if you have any ideas, make sure to leave them down, because the ones for the rest of October are 100% decided. Like, I got a whole story written out with them. I am going to be referring to her with the name she uses after for most of the game during this short that you're about to watch. But anyway, if you're excited for that, here it is.
What? I'm assuming they said something about how Builder Brothers pizza is always the best. I mean, that's true. I wonder when we'll get more appetizers. Jester, we already ordered our pizza. I think we're forgetting to regroup. Dante? Oh my gosh, it's Dante! Wait, why are you here? You don't even have a mouth. Oh. Right. You're working with these 3? Hi, I'm Noob. Hi, I'm Don Quixote. Hi, I'm Jester. It's 2 time. Do you know anything about, like, candies trying to attack people? What? And I think I know somebody who might know something about that. Come on, let me sit down. So, what about candies attacking people? So Noob brought his candies home and they started trying to kill him. That's really weird. Though I think I might know somebody that knows a bit about magic on candies. I met her a couple days ago. We gotta go check her next, probably. I'll tell you on the way. Yay!
And now I would like to thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hype it, whatever if you feel like it. But I gotta tell you what's coming next. We're gonna get Gertrude the Witch next. Hope you watch her as well. If you don't, that's fine. Although, you won't see the conclusion of the story, unfortunately, if you don't watch it. But there is going to be another part after that, but the conclusion won't make sense without that. Oh, it won't make as much sense. Later. Bye.